Oh no, I said, girl, do you sing? She said, right now I'm just practicing to be a big old star around in Tennessee. I said, sounds like we got a similar dream. She said, DJ, back 'em up, put some on one, maybe uptown funk. If you got it, oh, we gon' get on up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Said it's about close to time. Said it's 11:59 and I ain't even teach me some rhymes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'll be the melody. Yeah. Oh, what's your favorite song? Let's make a memory, 'cause darling, I don't wanna go. You sing the harmony, but DJ keeps playing on. It's a late night, but I don't wanna go. Oh, oh, it's a late night, but I don't wanna go. Stop, wait, what's your name? As a girl like you ain't got a ring. She said, boy, I respect that confidence. My friends are gone and it's getting late. Hey, she walked off doors to go when the whole crowd started screaming encore. She looked back at me like in a movie scene and said, DJ, play one more. I'll be the melody. Yeah. Boy, what's your favorite song? Let's make a memory, 'cause darling, I don't wanna go. You sing the harmony, but DJ keeps playing on. It's a late night, but I don't wanna go. It's a late night, but I don't wanna go home. I'll be the melody. Yeah. Oh, what's your favorite song? Let's make a memory, 'cause darling, I don't wanna go. You sing the harmony, but DJ keeps playing on. It's a late night, but I don't wanna go. It's a late night, but I don't wanna go home.
Let's learn. Come on. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 9 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Come on. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot out but slightly forward, step your left foot out to the left side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, cross your right behind your left foot out to the side, right foot out to the side. We're now going to weave, cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the sides, cross your left over your right. We're now going to do toe switches. Point your right toe to the right side, quickly step your right next to your left, and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot. Out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 2, you're going to take the ball of your right foot, you're going to touch it forward. You're going to swivel your right heel to the right side, and as you do that, you want to slightly bump your hip forward, swivel your heel back center, and then step your right next to your left. We're now going to do that with the left. You're going to touch the ball of your left foot forward, swivel your left heel to the left side, and bump your hip to the left. Swivel it back center. You're going to step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. Step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. And then you're going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right foot together, left foot forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your swivel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. We're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in to your right. We're now going to do a pony step forward. So we're going to take the ball of our right foot, we're going to step it forward, and you're going to bring your left foot into your right and slightly hitch your right knee up. You're now going to step the ball of your right foot forward, bring your left foot into your right and hitch your right knee up. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn, crossing our right over our left, step your left foot back, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. You'll now be facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our coaster step, weights on your left foot. You're doing your step together and your pony forward. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a vaudeville to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and cross your right over your left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right, and then you're ready to start the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. Our left will be over our right, facing 3 o'clock. You're doing your vaudeville to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our out, 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 sailor step, weave behind side cross, point step, touch swivel, step, touch swivel, back sweep, sweep left, coaster step, step together, ball step, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, vaudeville side, behind side, heel step, cross, quarter, quarter, crossing shuffle, and you'll be at 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance. So now on those ponies forward, when you step with the left foot, this is totally styling. You don't have to do this. You can just do a step together. I like to slightly do a little bit of a body roll. So I like to lean into that step forward with my right. And then when I bring my left into my right, I'm kind of already starting that pony step forward. So when you bring that left into your right, slightly pop that knee up, and then you'll continue with your pony forward. Again, that's all styling. It just kind of makes it fit the music a little bit more. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 9. That will be your 12 o'clock or your front facing wall. You're going to dance the first 16 counts, which will be your left coaster step, and then you will start the dance all over again, facing 12 o'clock. That will become wall 10. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to do that 16 counts. So we're going out 1, out 2, sailor 3 and 4, weave 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and swivel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. 16 counts right here. Now you're going to start the dance all over again with your out, out, and your sailor step. You're going to know that that restart is coming because all of wall 8 is instrumental. There is no lyrics to it. So you're going to dance a wall and a half of instrumental. After you dance the full wall of instrumental and you come back to 12 o'clock, you will be dancing 16 counts of instrumental. After that coaster step, he's going to go right into singing the lyrics. So you're going to restart when he starts singing those lyrics all over again. Now the dance ends facing 6 o'clock with your crossing shuffle. So our last wall will be the side wall, and you'll go cross and cross to face 6 o'clock. To turn to face the front, you're just going to do a half unwind over your right shoulder. You're going to unwind to the front and then pose however you would like and end however you would like. You can put your hands on your hips. You could just stand here. It's up to you how you end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 10 walls of the dance. The front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to dance through the restart and the one that follows it so that you know how it all flows and how the transition happens. Weight's on your left foot. We're stepping out, 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 sailor step, behind side cross, point step, touch swivel, step, touch swivel, back sweep, coaster step, step, together ball step, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross vaudeville side, behind side, heel step, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle out, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, out, out, sailor step, weave, point step, touch swivel, step, touch swivel, back sweep, coaster step, step, together ball step, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross vaudeville side, behind step, heel step, cross, quarter, crossing shuffle, out, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, out, out, sailor step, weave, toe switches, point step, touch swivel, back sweeps, in your coaster step, step, together ball step, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross vaudeville, quarter crossing shuffle, out, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, out, out, sailor step, weave, toe switches, touch and swivel, step, touch and swivel, back sweep in your coaster step, step, together ball step, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross vaudeville, side, behind and heel and cross, quarter crossing, shuffle, out, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is now wall 9. We're going to dance 16 counts, out, out, sailor step, behind side cross, point step, touch swivel, back sweep, coaster step, restart, out, out, sailor step, behind side cross, point step, touch swivel, back sweep, in your coaster step, step together in your pony, forward, jazz box with a cross, side, behind side, heel step, cross, quarter crossing shuffle. And then you would dance a few more walls and then do the ending where you unwind to the front to end the dance. I hope this helps you learn. Come on, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.